Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, guys. So today, well, let's see what Tesla is doing in the post market. All right, 3 cents down, but yep, it is struggling to break out of certain resistance. And we dipped as low as today at just precisely 50 days moving average, and we got bought back up over there. But it has to do with QQQ and SPY as well. I'll be doing a video specifically on QQQ and SPY with tech stocks today, so I won't go in detail over here on QQQ and SPY, but just want to show you that, look at it, QQQ and SPY is so strong, and that gave Tesla some benefit, but it still closed red, and that's where, let's talk about the things then, all right? So, nothing is financial advice in this video, only for education purposes. Please do your own due diligence before making any financial decisions for yourself, all right? Just sharing my opinion here, nothing more than that. So on daily interval, sure, we got bought back up at 50 days moving average, but does it makes it bullish? Well, not quite so bullish. It's not fully bearish as well, but it's not fully bullish as well. At this point, I would say sellers have more control of Tesla stock for sure. We are below 20 days moving average over here, and we are just struggling to hold $175 as well. But so let's go to the hourly interval, because that's where a lot of the things are. So well guys, before that I actually want to show you my day trading bot as well, because even on the downside days, guys, the bot is still being profitable. Okay, let me show you that real quick. So even today you can see it was a profitable day. You can see we got good buying position after a fall. We got a good buy into that rebound, and yeah, bot was able to take out partial profits as well. And so yeah, and you can see on the left hand side the data, even if Tesla has been falling for so many days and the bot has still been making money, right? Bot is still profitable. Anyways, just wanted to show you that. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. I have two trading bots, two indicators. They can be applied on any given US stock and indices. They work as what they work like. As you can see the data here, this is on Tesla though. And I'll be doing QQ and SPY. I'll show you QQ and SPY data over there, but hey, why not just see it over here right away? QQ, great move, great money today on this is QQ. Yeah, good position taken, good money made. Last 30 trades of data is on the table there. And this is SPY. Look at it. SPY was first falling. We got no signal when the buying was confirmed. We got a good buy into it and good move made here as well. Data is on the left hand side here, and good move on this as well. Again, I only say these are educational tools. I take guarantee of nothing. They are red days as well. It's all about being net profitable and risk management and all of that. So it's not an overnight thing. You still have to do your efforts. Trading is a long time game, and it's just there to assist you, and you go and do whatever you want to do. How you use it's up to you. I take no guarantee, no assurances of anything, what the results would be. Okay, yeah, there are red days as well. All right, anyways, let's go back to Tesla and let's start talking about our price action here. So let me turn this off, and here we go, guys. So yes, let's go to the hourly interval and let's take a look at the price action. So we fell lower today. Buyers are still holding this range of $173 area. And yeah, 50 days moving average, we got bought back up with that, right? But here's the thing that, guys, the sellers are still in control. We are below 200 hours moving average still right over here, right? And the price action is still in the downtrend though, lower highs, lower lows, all right? Now, if from here we want to turn bullish, well, Tesla needs to get above tomorrow 176 and 83 cents. Yeah, it's a good buying, but guys, the direction to the upside is just not happening unless we break some critical structures again and start closing days on the higher range, not at the lower range, all right? We got to get above level by level to the upside. And at this point, if we can't get above $175, expect this thing to continue lower. Again, we'll see how it reacts. Again, it's like for more than a month, guys. It has done nothing but just gone sideways. Sellers sitting at $180, buyers sitting at $173. $7 range. That's what Tesla has been doing for more than a month. That's the thing. Now, the good structure to the bullishness is above 178, but bullishness from where the price is right now would start to look good if we can get above 176 and 84 cents. Today was a, I would say, price action held, maybe thanks to the market as well, because that's what led Tesla to also go up. If market would not have been so strong, today could have been the flush day. We could have lost that 50 days moving average, and that's where I'm saying that just be cautious with Tesla. It's sellers have a little bit more control here than the bulls. Sellers have, like, I would say 60 to 65% control on Tesla stock. Buyers have the remainder, right? And but buyers are looking weaker unless we start to recapture the structure back to the upside, but we are not there yet. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, if Tesla can get above 2050, well, 176 and 85 cents would be the starting place that some bullishness will again start to come in. Otherwise, it's just going to either stay choppy or weak down here. And then as if we continue to lose more levels, like, as I said, today we just got somehow, bought back up. But yeah, you know, if we struggle to stay high up above 175 and get closer and closer, even if we hold 50 days moving average, but keep getting closer and closer on the downside, yeah, that flush would happen, guys. You can see also the supply zone building over here, right? Like all these, this is all a supply zone. This is all a supply zone. There's so many sellers, right? So yeah, this can't be just negated or forgotten. This can't, right? This is a strong supply zone right now, guys. Anyways, so that's Tesla, guys. I know it's just going sideways and there's not even a direction. It's even, well, the pivots on the hourly interval, guys, are, and that's what I'm saying. Like, if we want to recapture back to the upside, we got to change the structure, because structure is right now lower highs, right, and lower lows. So technically the structure is to the downside. It's just that, just because there's just more to this equation right here, because the bias has been sitting here and holding it constantly, right? And so that's why it's not fully bearish, even though pivots are lower, because there's still some structural buying that I'm seeing at these areas. So anyways, gave you the levels, gave you where we will start to become a little bit more confirmed bullish back in the direction. Right now sellers have more control. And that's all for this video, guys, on Tesla. Let's actually, I'm just going to show you NIO, not the other stocks today, but let's just see what NIO did today. And so NIO earnings, it shows up here that we have tomorrow. So let's see what happens. And there's some news that NIO BYD receives approval for autonomous driving tests amid Tesla's FSD launch aspirations in China. Good stuff. But yeah, look, earnings will decide tomorrow what NIO can do now. Like, if we break below these areas again, like $5.05, that's a structural break again to the downside. If we can stay above $5.30, technically bulls still have control, but look at it, it doesn't even move much, right? Like, yeah. Trade the big cap stocks, trade the US stocks, stay away from these type of stocks that don't move. Guys, all right, I'll see you in my next videos. Yeah. And yes, well, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. All right, bye.